we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your old PDF reader app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for uh, all PDF reader app, or just click on search. Then here add all PDF here reader. It's going to show for you like this. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on full stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.